So this little tiny flashlight right here is the Rovyvon Aurora A3. Has a magnetic clip in the bottom, one button right there, has a clip up here for your keychain, and that's exactly what it is. It's a tiny little keychain light. Really portable, has a USB-C rechargeable battery, and let's just take a look at what it can do here. So here we are as lowest setting right there. That's called moonlight. So press it once. That's low, medium, and high. And it's got a pretty good range, as you can see. I mean, for something this small, that's a pretty bright light. Okay, that's my 1-minute review of the Rovyvon Aurora A3.